Hello everybody, it's Margaret from Silesian Quilt. Today I would like to show you a template for the border. I use it very often. This template called Bubbles border. It's very spectacular and I love this template to use. So it's very simple, but first I draw two lines. This line is my line. It looks like my seam between the top and my border. I use this template for 5 inches border because the distance between the needle and the top is 4 inches. So if you want to use for 5 inches border is perfect. One important thing, all time I control my edge of foot and edge of the template. They should come into contact all time. It's very important. And this line is very helpful because this line is my seam line. So I control my seam line, I control my line of the middle, my seam line, and I'm going around my shape very slowly. All time I control my edges, it's very important. And I stop here. Now I'm going to move the template and again I continue all process. So I control the seam line and I control my lines. A little bit correct will be good, I hope. And again I continue. I'm going around my shape. And I'm stop here. And again I'm moving my template and control the line and my seam, control this line and this line, and again I'm going to go around my bubble shape. It's very simple. So the pattern looks very good and I hope my tutorial you like my tutorial. This template you can to find in our shop, and see you soon. Bye bye. Happy quilting.